The annoying thing now is that even with the cost of everything and with your money at hand, there are some things you still find difficult to get in the market, and it's so annoying because it tends to shake your production or even affect all of the product at a time. Out of many things that have gone wrong this week, here is one of them. In this video, I'll be making meat pie and meat pie filling. Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time, please do well to subscribe and click on the like button if you end up liking this video. So I had this order for meat pies and I went to the market with full confidence that I was going to get everything I need. Only I know for sure I'm going to spend excess, you get, of which I've already priced it, and I know I'm going to be fine. On getting to the market, guys, I couldn't find Irish potatoes, and just when I thought it was a joke, maybe my vendor they have, let me call others to know if they have, I started making calls and it happened that nobody had Irish potatoes. By the way, I live in Osogbo, Nigeria, and yeah, there are some times that things don't come this way easily, and this is one of those times. To think that 2 weeks ago I bought Irish potato and this person refused to sell below 1 kg, and I needed just a little and I bought the 1 kg. After using 3 to 4 pieces of what I need, I left the remaining one in my kitchen, and under 3 days this whole Irish potato got bad. And while I was throwing it away, I felt really terrible, but I don't have anything to do with it as at that moment. To think of that while I'm looking for Irish potato now and I'm not getting it, hurt me so bad. I had to pay riders to go far in town to go and check if they have Irish potato, only for them to come back and tell me they didn't get, after wasting all of those transportation. But guys, what will I do? I had to do what I have to do, which is to salvage it however way I can. And here is me making meat pies for the first time without Irish potatoes. And just before I lose my hope totally on Irish potatoes, I called other vendors who I know definitely we have customers they buy from. And when I did, I reached out to this lady and she was like, I couldn't get also. For over a week now, I've been looking for Irish and I didn't get. But you can try sweet potatoes. I tried it, it came out nice, it's okay, you can try it. See guys, I won't lie, I was tempted. I went ahead and bought a bit of sweet potatoes because I really wanted to try it out. But on getting home, I told myself, no, don't do this with customers' order. Why not wait and try this maybe some other time when you want to make for yourself and your family at home? So you can just try it and see if it's okay, after which you can decide if you want to use for your client or not. And that is exactly what I did. I didn't use it for my customers. I went ahead to use just carrots. As you can see, it came out really nice. I added a lot of seasoning and that makes it taste really perfect. You can see what I did. So guys, I will be trying out the one with the sweet potatoes and I will let you all know what I think about it. I will be giving my honest review. If you haven't subscribed, do well to subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you can get my review on that recipe. Okay, so for now I'm not going to use my customers for testers. I'm going to give them this one without the Irish or sweet potatoes, and here is what my filling look like. I added flour in water and I add it to my mix and that thickens it up. I don't like dry filling, that is why I didn't add too much to thicken it. I just leave it loose like this. Go ahead and do you. I hope this was self-explanatory because I didn't really explain what was going on in the pots. Yeah guys, so now let's get right into today's video proper. Okay. Eid Mubarak to all my beautiful, handsome, gorgeous looking Muslim family members. Thank you so much for following me. Thank you for watching my videos. I love you guys, and I pray Allah answer each and every one of your prayers. Thank you so much for coming in. I really appreciate you guys. So guys, this order was for my customers on Eid day, which is yesterday, guys. And yeah, I made a lot and lot of orders. I was standing on my feet from 4 a.m. in the morning till like 6 p.m. in the evening, and I didn't regret any of it at all. A lot of videos went down, but I couldn't complete them, so I just went ahead to delete. But at least I completed few of them, and I'll be sharing with you guys as time goes. So the meat pie filling was made a night before. Of course, I can't be making filling the same day. I have a lot to do, and I work solo all day. I mean solo 100%. So guys, this is the next morning, and this is quite early, and I'm making the meat pie dough. As you can see in my bowl, I have 5 cups of flour. I added my margarine. I didn't really measure this margarine because you see that scale, that small white scale that they sell for 3,500, I mean 4,000. See guys, don't waste your money on it. Don't buy it. That scale is a scam. It only works for like a week and then it's broke. So please don't buy. So I don't have a scale, and I didn't buy the sachet margarine. So I just went ahead to eyeball this, and I did perfectly fine. So I'm just going to mix this up, and you know what it is now. Get your dough ready, add your cold water, and yeah, while I was doing this, guys, I was actually making salad box. And in between making that salad box, I remember I didn't boil my eggs, and I just quickly put my eggs on the stove, and I say okay, let me quickly mix this meat pie dough. At least I will set it aside, assemble the salad, because the salad was going to someone with some chinchin and all of that. So I didn't want to delay the salad at all. That order was to deliver by 8 a.m. So that was it. I was just all over the place, and yeah, I used the minutes which is like 10 minutes while the egg was cooking. I made this dough, and I returned back to making the salad. It was a very busy morning, and I worked solo. Like I said, it was something I didn't even know I was going to meet up with all of the timing. All of them gave me different timing, and I met with all of them. I'm so happy. And yeah guys, I want to show you guys the few videos I can make, and that's why I'm sharing this with you. So enjoy watching, okay? So for today, I'll be making use of this round bowl. Reason because the actual size I want to use, the mold got broken a few days ago. So now I will be using this round bowl because I can't use a different mold. It's either it's too small or it's too big, and I have a measurement at art. So yeah, this is what I'm going to use, and it works perfectly. Just that I will be using my fork to seal up, and yeah, that's kind of an extra work, but it works, so that's not a big deal. And yeah, this is what it looks like. This is how you seal. You just put your egg wash around one side of the halves, and yeah, that's it. It's sealed perfectly. It doesn't leak open, okay? So now I'm done with all of the molding, and I'm just going to put the incision with the fork and use my egg wash, and that's it. My oven is already preheated, and I'm going to put this right in there. Meat pie get done easily, like 15 maximum 20 minutes your meat pie is ready. So this is one of the many things I did, and I'm glad this one is out of the way as early as possible, because this is kind of the I don't know if to say difficult, like the challenging one I was thinking all night about, because the rest of them are just small chores, which is something I can easily do. Like I'm very fast with those ones. But yeah, I'm glad this one is out of the way. Now I can focus. Yeah, I can do other things.